Okay, so when you have a new presentation you first start, you want to get rid of the text boxes that are going to be in your way. So you just click the box and then press delete on your keyboard. Click the box, delete. So we're going to set the background for our first image, and then I'll show you how to put it on every other one. We choose background at the top, choose image, and because I decided I'm going to do an underwater scene, I'm going to choose Google Images and search underwater. And I'm going to use something simple that won't get in the way of my characters. Insert, and done. So now I have my background on every slide that I'm going to use, and I want to go ahead and find my images that I am going to be using. But this is how you do the background.